Moving on now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today made a strong pitch for stronger ASEAN-India partnership. In each of his bilateral meetings with the Thai and Malaysian counterparts, the Prime Minister stressed on his government's pet, Make in India project, better connectivity and increased commerce.
भारत में अभी चुनाव हुए, मेरी सरकार नई है, 6 महीने हुए हैं। इस दौरान जितनी प्रबलता और गतिशीलता से तरीके से मेरी सरकार ने पूर्व की तरफ ध्यान दिया है, वह इस बात का प्रमाण है कि हमने हर क्षेत्र में साथ मिलकर के आगे बढ़ने का एक के बाद एक कदम उठाए हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the 12th ASEAN-India Summit here in Naypyidaw this afternoon, but it began with a degree of confusion because press and journalists had really been allowed into the room only for an initial photo opportunity. But at the Sapphire Hall at the Convention Centre, Mr. Modi began to speak in the presence of journalists itself. He also started by saying that he was happy that the summit was being hosted by Myanmar, a country that India shares ancient historic ties with. At that point, the organizers had to request Mr. Modi to stop speaking, and the press persons were asked to leave the room, after which, of course, the closed room speech resumed. But the key focus really in the speech remained commerce, connectivity and people-to-people ties. Remember, India and ASEAN, which is a 10-member country bloc, they signed that free trade agreement just in September this year, which also gave that much-needed impetus to bilateral trade, which is expected to touch $100 billion by next year. There is that 3,200 kilometers long ambitious highway linking project, which is supposed to run through India, Myanmar and Thailand, but which of course is running much behind schedule as of now. But clearly, Mr. Modi is suggesting that ASEAN is really the key now, not just for India's Look East or Act East policy, but for that Asian century dream as well. In Naypyidaw with video journalist Tahir Chaudhary, this is Smita Sharma for Headlines Today.
Also, Narendra Modi made his Instagram debut, sharing a picture from the venue of the ASEAN summit. Within minutes of Modi posing his first image on the photo and video sharing service, it was liked by over 700 people. The account was also flooded with comments. Several meetings with various world leaders are slated for the day for the Prime Minister in Myanmar, but the focus will be on Modi's meeting with the leader of opposition in Myanmar, Aung San Suu Kyi. The meeting will be with the Nobel laureate today in the evening. That's when it's scheduled for.
Frail but feisty, she is the face of the opposition in Myanmar. She has also been criticized for not speaking out vociferously on issues of attacks against Rohingya Muslims, despite a strong presence in parliament. National League for Democracy chairperson and Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi has cautioned global leaders in attendance at the country's capital Naypyidaw for the ASEAN summit. Suu Kyi has still not been allowed to run for the president's job in elections slated for 2015. And her statement comes a day before she calls on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who met the Myanmar president as part of his first set of bilateral meetings. Will Modi take a stand? Indian government is cautious in its response.
Well, when Prime Minister meets her tomorrow, that will be the best opportunity for both of them to discuss all issues that they may feel are of interest to India and to Myanmar. So I think it's not appropriate to make comments on our part before a meeting, impending meeting between our leader and Aung San Suu Kyi.
Even as it champions democracy, New Delhi realizes Myanmar is key to its connectivity, energy and border security issues.
Our approach as South Asians, as neighbors, is an approach which is different from other countries' approaches. Ours is an approach where we will discuss all issues candidly, quietly, and with understanding of issues that developing countries face.
Interestingly, the US President Barack Obama, who is also in the Myanmar capital, is set to meet Suu Kyi. With Smita Sharma in Naypyidaw, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.